to all the corners in the cafes and scenes. Red hair and black leather, your favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind and down to Canterbury, St. James, you red Molly, is a ring for your right hand. I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17. Fought many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years on my way 22. I don't mind dying, but more than what I do. But if they should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to come down, Red Molly, said Sergeant Dufresne. We've taken young James in for all robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running down the road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to St. James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world. It's a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Greases will do. They don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. He reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I've got no further use for these. I see angels on their hills in leather and gold, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he did.